guys, Funsho here from We Coach Crypto. Hope you're all doing well and you are having a great week. So, I want to talk to you about a few things, okay? Now, if you're part of our inner circle, first and foremost, you'll already know what kind of outlook I've had on the market. Okay, I was expecting that we were going to roll over. We had a bit of a bounce. It was clearly a fake out. And as people can see now, the crypto market had like a 24-hour pump. It's back down to where it is. It's hovering around that area that we need to keep a close eye on with Bitcoin. It's currently at $38,910 per coin. Okay, and the overall crypto market cap is at $1.79 trillion. So it's down 3.85% over the last 24 hours. Now, from a sentiment perspective, okay, I'm just crazily bullish on the market. Seriously, there are so many things going on from a news perspective, from an infrastructure building perspective. It's just unbelievable how many people are getting involved in this, and it's starting to snowball. Okay, from the market's perspective and its performance, yes, there's fear in the market right now. There's blood on the streets. It's down. It's not really doing much, and it's not really very entertaining. And I get that. I fully can appreciate that. But we're in this for the long run. Okay, we know where the prices of these projects are going to go long term. Want to make sure people's minds are on the game. Okay, I did do a video that I put out yesterday, which should have been out the day before. We had some internet problems with that, so apologies to everyone for that. But I just want to do a bit of a catch up. Okay, so Ethereum at the moment is at $2,898. It's down about 3.3% on the 24-hour. BNB is at $391.85, down 2.2% on the 24-hour. Solana's just under $100, down 1.52%. XRP's at 65 cents. Terra Luna's at $89. Cardano's at 84 cents. Dogecoin had that big push, and surprise, surprise, what has happened? It's coming back down again, 11.79% down on the 24-hour. It's back at 14 cents. Okay, and obviously that was quite a big push that happened with Dogecoin. And if you were a trader and you managed to catch that and also jump back out, then well done to you. But for me, I just knew that, well, I had that feeling based on what I was seeing in the markets, looking at the charts, we were going to roll over. If we break that 37.5, kind of 37.6K area of Bitcoin, if we break down below that support level, then I expect Bitcoin to come down anywhere in the sort of mid to high 20s. Okay, it's going to present a fantastic buying opportunity. If I'm honest with you, I hope it happens, because then I get that fantastic buying opportunity too. You make really, really good gains based on when you buy and having the cojones to actually go and buy during that period, because it's a scary time. And if you've got a long-term investment portfolio, you're looking at it, you're thinking, oh my God, it's dropping down. Have I done the right thing? Don't worry, I've been through this so many times. It's all good. Buy the dips, buy the blood in the street, buy the fear, okay? And then when everything shoots back up, which it always does, history tends to repeat itself, not exactly, but it definitely rhymes. I believe that we've got one final major push that is coming for this year, okay? And I believe that when we drop down, however low we go now, that's going to be the bottom in. That's going to be the best possible time you could have bought before we then go off to the moon. That's my opinion. Remember, guys, I share all of this information for education and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and you do not need to act upon anything that I'm saying. I'm here to share my opinions with you based on the experiences that I've had over the last close to 6 years now investing in this space. Now, what I want to do is move on to some news, guys. So I'm going to just cover a handful of the major stories that are out today. Okay, and I'm going to start with this one here, which is about Robinhood, who are laying off 9% of their employees as growth slows. Now, obviously, that isn't something as an investor in the crypto space that you really want to be reading, but what you've got to remember is a lot of these projects have had explosive growth. They've had crazy money come into them, and they've just scaled at a monumental pace. And what Robinhood really have probably done is overscale when they didn't need to, because they were expecting a lot more growth to come into the marketplace at this point. Now, one thing to remember, guys, is, these black swan events that happen, whether it's a pandemic, coronavirus, and we have a big crash off the back of it, whether it's the Ukraine-Russia war that's going on and we have a crash off the back of it, these things happen and they affect the marketplace. So we have to reassess and see where things are. But I want to be honest with you guys and let you know what's going on in the marketplace. So Robinhood are a huge exchange, and the fact that they're scaling down a little bit just lets you know that things are starting to cool off a little bit in the marketplace. And like I say, I do expect us to roll over and come down a little bit lower. So as you can see here, brokerage app Robinhood is laying off 9% of its workforce, according to a statement from CEO Vlad Tenev today. And he's called the decision necessary, citing a change in Robinhood customers' behavior. So what they're saying here is, we're anticipating and being responsive to changes in the way our customers invest, especially during this time of global conflict, economic uncertainty and high inflation, Tenev said in the blog post. Now, you guys will know, if you've been following us, we have consistently for a long period of time been talking to you guys about the economy, been talking to you guys about inflation, we've been talking to you guys about uncertainty across the world. So, these guys also are on the right lines here. They understand that anything can happen, anything's around the corner, and they're trying to protect their business too. So people need to be aware of that. They've got to make sure that they're prepared for what's coming. Okay, now moving on to another news story over on Cointelegraph, and that one is Binance announces crypto card for Ukrainian refugees. So the card will allow displaced Ukrainians to send and receive crypto payments and make transactions at retailers located in the European Economic Area, which is obviously a really good thing for the Ukrainian people. So global crypto exchange Binance has launched a crypto card that allows refugees from Ukraine to make crypto transactions and receive funds through the Binance Visa card. Binance announced that it's working with several entities, including European Banking as a Service platform Contis and non-profit organisations Rotary and Paleanthesia, to provide refugees affected by the Ukrainian conflict a way to send and receive funds and make purchases within the European Economic Area, EEA. So this is a really good thing that they're doing to help the Ukrainian people to be able to transact using cryptocurrency, which is great. So guys, that was a brief market update for you. If you've liked the video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Please make sure as well, guys, if you've got any questions at all, you leave them in the comments below. And remember, our free Discord server is there to help you guys make sense of everything in the crypto market. You can book an appointment with me, ask us any questions. We're here to help you make sense of it all and get the best out of your investments in the cryptocurrency marketplace. Hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will catch up with you in the next one. Take care.